What's your process of writing, like lyrically?
Yeah, man, it's for me, like obviously I know a lot of people to get to a point where they have the whole thing planned out, like how they're gonna write the song, how they're gonna write an album and stuff. But for me, especially with the first EP, it all just came in like random, like even just a one liner, like good looking, for instance, like behind Beats by Hand played me the beat, and I walked out of the studio and like went to go smoke or something outside, and the beat was playing, and the first thing that came up in my head was, "What's cooking? Good looking. It's you that I'm sooking."
It's
So I was
so
like,
good,
"That
dude.
that's like a nice flow." And I went to him. I was like, "What do you think of this?" And he's like, "Oh, lekker, yeah, yeah." So I finished the hook from there, and then that was the idea. We didn't have anything else except for that little piece, and then we build from there. And that's how I work till this day, bro. Like I
Okay.
get like even just one bar that I feel like can work, or we can create into something catchy and stuff. 'Cause that's what
Yeah.
I'm mostly build off, is like the catchiness of the song.